If you're tackling tough jobs, a reliable drill is a must. The best cordless hammer drills deliver power, speed, and versatility without the hassle of cords. Perfect for masonry, wood, and metal, these tools are built to handle demanding tasks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Dewalt DCK299 M2 Hammer Drill. The Dewalt DCK299 M2 Hammer Drill Combo Kit is a professional-grade solution for tackling heavy-duty drilling and fastening projects. It comes with two impressive tools, the DCD996 20V Max 1/2-inch hammer drill and the DCF887 1/4-inch impact driver. The DCD996 hammer drill features a robust 3-speed all-metal transmission offering speeds up to 2,000 RPM and a hard-hitting 0 to 38,250 BPM, making it excellent for drilling into masonry, concrete, and other dense materials. Despite its power, this tool maintains a compact 8.4-inch front-to-back length and weighs just 4.7 pounds, allowing easy access to tight areas. An integrated 3-mode LED work light brightens dark or confined spaces up to 20 times more than earlier models. Paired with the hammer drill is the DCF887 impact driver, which delivers an impressive 1,825 inch-pounds of max torque and speeds up to 3,250 RPM, making it suitable for driving large fasteners and heavy-duty screws effortlessly. This tool's compact 5.3-inch design and lightweight 3.4-pound build make it comfortable to use in overhead and tight spot applications. Both tools benefit from Dewalt's high-efficiency brushless motors, extending runtime and overall tool longevity. The DCK299 M2 kit includes two 4.0A 20V Max batteries, offering ample power to complete tasks without frequent recharging. Users consistently praise this combo for its power, reliability, and professional-grade performance across woodworking, metal drilling, and masonry projects. Number 2. Dewalt DCD805B Hammer Drill. The Dewalt DCD805B hammer drill proves itself a capable and compact performer designed for demanding drilling and fastening applications. Compared to its predecessor, the DCD796, this tool offers up to 40% more unit watts out (UWO) when paired with the DCB205 or Dewalt Power Stack batteries. Its shortened 7-inch tool head improves accessibility, making it a great fit for confined spaces and overhead work. Despite its compact frame, this cordless hammer drill packs a serious punch with a high-speed transmission that delivers two speed settings, 0 to 650 and 0 to 2,000 RPM, offering versatility for both high-speed and high-torque jobs. The DCD805B also features a robust 1/2-inch metal ratcheting chuck, providing excellent bit retention and reducing the chance of slippage during tough applications. A mechanical variable trigger ensures smooth, controlled operation, while the hammer function delivers consistent performance when drilling into masonry and brick. Adding to its practicality is an adjustable 3-position LED light with 70 lumens of brightness, including a spotlight mode with a 20-minute shutoff function, perfect for extended work in dark or shadowed areas. Users appreciate its excellent balance, comfortable grip, and ability to tackle heavy-duty projects despite its compact size. The upgraded motor and enhanced transmission contribute to faster drilling and driving, while the LED system improves visibility in confined or dimly lit environments. While it's sold as a bare tool, the DCD805 works seamlessly with Dewalt's 20V Max battery system, ensuring compatibility and convenience for those already invested in the lineup. Overall, the Dewalt DCD805 ranks among the best cordless hammer drills available, offering a smart blend of power, control, and compactness. Ideal for contractors, electricians, or DIY enthusiasts seeking a lightweight yet powerful drill that won't compromise on performance. Number 3. Milwaukee 3400 Hammer Drill. The Milwaukee 3400 hammer drill sets itself apart as a high-performance, subcompact tool designed for professionals who need power without added bulk. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers the muscle needed to handle a wide variety of drilling and fastening applications, including masonry tasks. Its standout advantage lies in its ability to maintain top performance under load, ensuring faster drilling and driving than many competitors in the compact category. Despite its robust power, this hammer drill weighs in at just 2.6 pounds, making it one of the lightest models available, perfect for overhead, tight space, or all-day use. The 3400's 1/2-inch all-metal chuck adds durability and ensures superior grip and bit retention, essential for masonry drilling and repeated bit changes. A mechanical clutch delivers precise control, especially when driving fasteners into delicate materials or when switching between different screw sizes. The drill also offers multiple speed settings to adapt to both high-speed drilling and high-torque driving tasks, making it incredibly versatile for such a compact design. Contractors and home users alike appreciate the tool's portability, solid build quality, and its ability to outperform many larger models in its class. It also boasts excellent runtime and efficiency thanks to Milwaukee's advanced battery technology. Although it's sold as a bare tool, it pairs seamlessly with Milwaukee's M12 or M18 battery systems, depending on your preferred platform. Its lightweight frame and dependable torque make it ideal for electricians, cabinet installers, HVAC techs, and DIYers needing a small yet mighty hammer drill for varied projects. Overall, the Milwaukee 3400 earns its spot as one of the best cordless hammer drills for those prioritizing lightweight power and reliable, consistent performance. Number 4. Dewalt DCD1007W1 Hammer Drill. The Dewalt DCD1007W1 hammer drill is Dewalt's most powerful 20-volt max hammer drill to date, designed to meet the needs of professionals working on demanding applications. Its most notable feature is the integrated anti-rotation system, which detects excessive rotational motion and shuts down the tool to prevent kickbacks, ensuring operator safety. A red LED indicator illuminates when the safety feature is engaged, offering added peace of mind during high-torque drilling. The drill's premium 3-speed high-performance transmission optimizes runtime and delivers fast application speeds, making it capable of powering through tough materials like concrete, brick, and dense wood. Its all-metal construction enhances durability, ensuring it stands up to job site abuse. Despite its power, this model maintains excellent maneuverability with one of Dewalt's shortest tool lengths, making it perfect for confined spaces and overhead tasks. Users commend its improved control, powerful output, and rugged reliability. The drill features a 3-mode LED work light with enhanced brightness, providing excellent visibility in dark or shadowed areas. Combined with its lightweight and ergonomic design, it's comfortable to operate during long work sessions. While battery and charger are typically sold separately, this model works flawlessly with Dewalt's extensive 20V Max battery line. Number 5. Dewalt DCD996B Hammer Drill. The Dewalt DCD996B hammer drill remains a popular favorite among tradespeople and DIY enthusiasts for its outstanding power and durability. Its Dewalt-built high-power, high-efficiency brushless motor delivers up to 75% more runtime compared to older 18V NiCad brushed models, providing the endurance needed for demanding drilling and fastening jobs. The heavy-duty 1/2-inch ratcheting nitro-carburized metal chuck with carbide inserts offers superior bit gripping strength essential for high-impact masonry drilling. Its 3-speed all-metal transmission delivers impressive performance, and the hammer function reaches up to 38,250 BPM, making short work of concrete and brick. A standout feature is the 3-mode LED, which illuminates dark or confined spaces up to 20 times brighter than earlier versions, with a dedicated spotlight mode featuring a 20-minute shutoff function for extended use in low-light conditions. Users appreciate the drill's solid feel, balanced ergonomics, and dependable power under load. It's compatible with all Dewalt's 20V Max batteries, adding versatility and convenience for those already using the system. The Dewalt DCD996B earns its spot among the best cordless hammer drills by offering professional-grade performance, impressive runtime, and a tough, job site-ready design, making it a reliable addition to any serious toolkit. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.